Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, when you are on a call, what you guys want to do is turn up the volume using these side buttons on the right side. Here, if you click on three dots, as you guys can see, there's just an alarm. There is basically nothing, and if you want to change the call volume, you have to be on an active call. As you guys can see, you cannot change it here, so you have to be in an active call with somebody in order for it to work. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we're going to disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So if your Bluetooth is enabled, make sure to disable it. If you see everything, if you see available devices, make sure to disable the Bluetooth. Now what are we going to do is we're going to clean the earpiece. So the earpiece is right at the top here. It may not be visible on the video, but if you got this phone close to you now, you will see it, and there's a little bit of a cutout here. We want to make sure that we clean it, but make sure to not use anything sharp like this, because if we just put it really hard here, I'm just gonna slide it a little. As you guys can see, if you put it inside, then you can damage it, but if you put, let's say, a soft brush, it will work just fine. What you guys want to do after cleaning the earpiece is test another call or an app. So we want to test the WhatsApp, for example, or the normal phone app. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and simply reset the network settings. So we're going to go to settings. Here we're going to swipe down to system right at the bottom, go to reset phone, and here what are we going to do is we're going to go to and reset the Wi-Fi settings. So this will reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, but there's mobile in it, so we have to reset it. Of course, enter the password, and now it is gone. We have the confirmation, and as you guys can see, there's no Wi-Fi, but we have our mobile data. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.